Here's your Christmas gift.
It's just so pretty. I'm so excited. All right, I'm ready. Let's go. Can I cut through the grass?
This is your house. You can do whatever the hell you want.
Oh my god! Is it gonna be open?
There should
You
be
have the keys?
Yeah.
What the heck?
See if it's unlocked. Is it unlocked? No?
No.
Okay.
I can't even believe this. Okay, Benny, are you ready? This is gonna be this is our new home. Oh my gosh. Benny, you wanna go first? You do? You wanna go first? All right, let me know how it is. Oh my gosh. This is our home, Benny. Smells good. Looks beautiful. All right, who wants an actual tour? Let's go through the entire thing. Has a little bit of a smell, a little bit of an odor. It's very large, definitely. What is this, a three garage car?
Yep.
A tree. Are you loving it? All right, let's go look at the bedroom, our bedroom. This is the kitchen. It is actually gorgeous. Is this granite?
Should be.
Island here. This is gonna be so great because the one that we had at our other home, it's like, doesn't have an up here, so the water got everywhere. So many cabinets, 100% needed. Our kitchen at our other home was just not big enough. Ow. So many burners. I'm just so excited. Baby, aren't you so excited? So we have a TV thing here to watch while cooking. And then right over here will be the big TV, big couch here. Over here is the dining room, which we don't have anything, so we'll have to get stuff for it. But I love this. I love the blue, I think it's so cute. This will be Ryan's office. Kind of huge. We're gonna open these windows. So the drapes are way too long, so that'll need to be fixed. It's a good size. Very good size. Let's go into our bedroom next. This is just a really good closet. Okay. Gonna be the master on the left. Here is just an extra half bath.
Oh, good.
Close it.
You're teaching me things.
What?
You're teaching me
Oh,
things.
you're welcome. All right, our bedroom. I love it already. And then it has another outdoor spot here as well. So there's two spots inside of here. You can keep going. So there's one here. We have like we'll have our outdoor patio here. And then if you go on this left side, this is where they have actually that other one I showed you earlier. So there's two different spots that you can go in and out of the house outside. And he's already exploring. So now here is the bathroom area. So we have double sinks. We have this stuff in here. Okay, this one will be my closet. It's definitely not enough for shoes, but I'll have to put them on the top like my other one did. So this is mine. Right, Penny? All right, let's see what's upstairs. Penny, you wanna come? I know you're not good at going upstairs. You're all right, come on.
You're gonna have to learn how to do it, Penny. Penny, go get her. Go get her. She does not like stairs.
All right, this is bedroom 1. I'm not sure if this will be my studio or if it's just will be an extra bedroom. All right, so then it goes into here. It has the Jack and Jill, and then it has obviously a toilet and a
Shower.
We're going into here, another bedroom here. Nice, good size. Very big closet. Very nice. So here's the bonus room. Into here. Bonus room here. We're thinking of maybe putting a, what is it called?
Like a theater?
A theater room, kind of. We're gonna see, we're not sure. But very big size. Love it. So this is the shelter, and this is for tornadoes. So you can be nice and safe. All right, now we have one more bedroom.
There's a laundry chute.
Oh yeah. So this one has a laundry chute. Then you continue going this way. And this one has another bedroom. And then this one would be...
This would be like a guest.
Yeah, like a guest room, because this one has everything in here. So toilet, sink, bathroom. Or not bathroom. Shower area. Good size closet. I just love it. So a cool part over here is that when you go over here, it looks like just a normal
Bookshelf.
But when you open it, it has storage here.
She did so good. Penny, you did so good.
This is literally the best Christmas gift I have ever gotten in my entire life. It's beautiful.
Oh, good, because it's going to count for the next 30 years.
It's fine.